things glam. Welcome to a Build a Bitch workshop. This is video number 9.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty.
Guys, so today obviously is not the normal setup. We're out and I had a really busy day, so I'm so tired. I mean, I took off all my eyelashes, everything. Y'all just gonna get me raw. That's how it's gonna be. But we are gonna have a little bit of fun because I am going to ask a male for their perspective. Not even perspective. I'm gonna ask him to answer some questions, which I know he don't know the answer to, y'all, about breast implants. So I think I have about 4 questions that I want him to answer. I would like to see what he has to say or what men think about them in general. So, Fury, can you join us? Can y'all see him? I hope y'all can see him. Okay, and I just want your honest answer, to which I know you probably don't know the answer. You may know the answer to some of these questions, but I just want to hear what you have to say. Okay, so how many different ways can an implant be implanted into the body?
What kind of implant?
A breast implant.
Ass, titties.
We're talking about breast implants. These are all. This is all about breast implants.
How many different ways?
How many different ways?
Am I allowed to curse on your video?
You can say what you need to say.
Well,
Like,
ain't but one way. They got to cut a bitch.
okay. I mean,
That's how you get it. You got to cut a bitch.
what do you mean you have to cut a bitch?
Well, I'm saying you got to cut a bitch under the titty, lift that motherfucker up and slide it up in there. Or they can cut under the motherfucker arm and slide it through that way. Or they can cut it around the nipple, the areola, and put it through the ring. And I don't know. They got to cut your ass.
He said, okay, so first of all, guys, there's 4 different ways that an implant can be implanted into the body.
Under the titty, side, 1, 2, through the nipple, 3. That's 3.
4 different ways that it can be implanted into the body. Okay, one being auxiliary, which is the underarm. One of them being periareola, which I think that's what he was trying to say. One being periumbilical, which is through the belly button. That's the one he missed. And one being inflammatory. I don't even know, how do you say that? Inflammatory? Look it up. That's when they actually cut you underneath your boob and then they implant it in that way. That's what I had.
Did you say through the belly button?
Yes, it can be put in through the boob. Breast implants can be put in through the belly button.
Your titty way up here, your belly button way down there.
Mm-hmm.
How the hell they gonna put a breast implant through your stomach?
Well, they actually put the implant itself in there. They roll it up so that it's not filled when they do it this way. Okay, they can actually pump implants up with the actual saline or the.
Through your belly button.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You can do that. You actually can do that.
Okay, I'll take your word. You the expert.
So it can be. I'm not the expert, y'all, but it can be. You can have breast implants implanted through the belly button up into the breast cavity. Okay. Name the types of implants. Breast implants. When we're talking about breast implants.
Okay. They got the little silicone bags.
Okay.
The one with the hydrogel shit in them. They feel like the little squish bags, like they feel like a water balloon. The silicone, the little water balloon hydrogel things. And shit, I don't know, they can pump animal motherfuckers like an air. I don't know. Shit.
Air breast implants, guys.
I don't know. That'd be cool here. Check it out. You can pump air in there, blow it up, then if you don't big on that, you go to kill the silicone air out. Straight down.
Don't you know those would bust?
Not if don't nobody hit the motherfucker. Somebody punch you in your titty, then yeah. But I'm just saying.
What if you get poked accidentally?
Ain't nobody how often you get poked in the titty?
You might get poked.
How often, when the last time you got poked in the titty?
He said air. I can't. You cannot have air in your boobs. What if you lay on them and they pop?
If it's a thick, it ain't gonna be just like a thin.
It cut off in the middle of us talking. Anyway, the answer to that was silicone and saline. So you can have silicone put in there and saline. I would not suggest that you go put air in your boobs. Don't listen to this guy. He does not know what he's talking about as far as putting air in your boobs. I would get with a doctor, a board certified plastic surgeon. So the board certified plastic surgeon can tell you that you do not need air implanted into your boobs. What kind of women you been dating with air in their boobs?
I don't know what they have in their teeth, but as long as it's squishy. You feel like water balloons or some shit to me.
How can they be placed into the breast pocket?
You just said under the tip.
I said they can be placed in the body that way. Now they have to sit into the pocket. There's different ways that they can actually sit into the breast pocket.
Damn, so not through your belly button. I know that.
Yes, they can be placed in your belly button. It's called periumbilical.
In that case, they
It's called periumbilical.
Nose and down through that way and put it in there.
Well, maybe they can. I don't know. I know that there's 4 ways, and periumbilical is one of the ways that it can be placed into your body. Okay. And they can pump the solution in there, and they can actually make the solution bigger. I think you can only go up to 800 cc's. Now, don't quote me on that because I got my boobs done years ago, and I'm getting them done again this year. But years ago, I think you can only go up to 800 cc's at the time, and maybe now. But like in other countries, they actually can make them bigger by pumping the solution in there. They put the implant itself in there, and then they pump the solution in afterwards.
Well, first of all, what is a pocket? Is it the titty pocket? What is the pocket?
Yes, the cups, our little cups, or big cups.
What you mean? How you put it in there? I'm lost. You saying you cut it, or through the underarm, through the areola, or through the belly button? You said that's how you get it in there. I don't know about the pocket.
Okay.
You just put it in there.
You can place it under or over the pectoral muscle, which is also called the submuscle.
You talking about muscles and titty muscles and all that?
That's how it sits inside of the pocket.
Okay, well, the titty has a pocket. But you know how y'all always putting shit in your shirt? Somebody give you some money, the first thing the old lady do, thank you, honey, and put it in their shirt.
I don't know about what old ladies do. I'm not an old lady.
That's called the titty pocket.
I can't tell you what old ladies do. I've never been old before.
Don't y'all keep shit in your titties all the time? Don't y'all put shit down in it?
No, I've never put shit in my titties.
Well, that's called a titty pocket. You're not from down south. That's the titty pocket.
So all y'all down south people, is that called the titty pocket?
Yes. They say it ain't that damn loud.
I don't think they call it the titty pocket at all. I think that people put money inside of the bank now, or their Cash App, or
my grandma didn't. It was in the titty pocket.
I don't think that when your grandmother was living, they had Cash App.
Every time she went to the store, she pulled her money out the titty pocket.
You are labeling a whole group of people and saying that they put money in titty pockets. That's all I got for you. He didn't get none of this right. You got me, okay. You got maybe one right.
I'm done.
No, I'm gonna think some more for you. Come on. I thought he's just trying to get away from us. That's okay, guys. Now we know what men know about breast implants. They think that it's air, and they don't realize that they can be placed into the periumbilical area or your belly button. They think that a breast pocket, is a place where you put change.
Or when the old people from down south, when they send their grandson to go play the numbers for them, and they bring that little ticket stub back.
The numbers.
They put their ticket stub down in the titty pocket when they send them to the store to play the numbers.
The numbers.
Yeah.
What's the numbers?
It was gambling, old school gambling.
You mean the lottery?
No, it's different. It's a hood thing, the numbers.
The numbers,
Yeah,
okay.
That's old school.
Okay. Okay. So, for my disclaimer, I am not a board licensed plastic surgeon. He's not. No, he's not at all. Apparently, he knows nothing about plastic surgery when it comes to implanting boobs. Is that fair?
I know a little something. I know the difference. I can tell you if the titty hard or the titty soft. Some titties be hard, some be soft.
You didn't even know I had breast implants. You had to ask.
That's the difference between a good boob job and a bad boob job.
Okay, let's talk about it. What does a bad boob job look like?
One of them motherfuckers be up here and the other motherfucker be down here. Or one of them be this big.
Non-symmetrical?
Yeah, and one of them be this big and the other one be that big. One is like different. Like you might have 600 cc's here and 800 over here.
I don't think, I've never seen anybody like that before.
Well, some of them look like they deflate. They be lopsided.
Okay. Okay.
Or the areola.
I have nothing.
I'm saying. One might have a big areola, one might have a little areola. Some of them nipples might look like sausage off the pizza. Like pizza sausage nipples. It's no such thing as bad boob jobs. Trust me. They bad. Some of them be hard as a rock. It's like, damn, what the fuck is that? They put cement in your damn chest again? This is...
Again, don't trust this guy when it comes to your boobs because he's not a surgeon. He does not know what he's talking about. Okay. I know that you can get necrosis, which is something about when the nipples, I think, change complete colors or die out or something like that. Necrosis. I'm not sure. I've never had necrosis of the nipple. Yeah, and they put leeches on them to give them color. Yeah, they do that.
Put leeches on your teeth.
On your titties.
Dudes suck them enough? Why you gotta get leeches too? Just let your dudes suck it.
I'm not a nurse. Not an anesthesiologist. This guy is not anybody you need to know when it comes to having plastic surgery.
I'm a titty expert.
He's not a titty expert.
You know how many titties I've seen in my lifetime?
But I don't think the amount of boobs that you've seen
Thousands of titties.
qualifies you as a titty expert.
Thousands of titties.
Have you did surgery on those titties?
Depending on how you find surgery.
Have you cut those boobs up?
Cut them up? No, I don't think about titties. Unless they steal some money from me.
Listen. Okay, this is going a whole different way. I did want to say, I really enjoy spending time with you all. I'm glad you all came to visit me again, and I hope that you come back again. So if you like this video, I want you to hit the like button. I want you to hit the subscribe button. I want you to comment below, and I want you to share. Until next time, porcelain dollies.